nature lowers cortisol and shifts your nervous system. Cortisol is essential because it gets you up in the morning, but too much of it for too long creates anxiety, burnout, insomnia, digestive issues, inflammation, and mood swings. Now, research shows that even 20 minutes in the forest lowers cortisol significantly. And as cortisol falls, your heart rate slows, blood pressure stabilizes, breathing deepens, and muscles relax. And this is when your emotional clarity returns because your body is shifting into parasympathetic rest and digest mode. Forest bathing is essentially a natural nervous system reset.